Have you ever considered what your years are worth? As Abraham Lincoln said, in the end, it's not the years in your life that count. It's the life in your years. Today, let's talk about a decision that could affect the life in your years and the peace of mind for those who count on you. Life insurance is an essential part of financial planning, yet it's often overlooked until it's too late. I'm John, and I'm here to tell you why securing life insurance as soon as possible isn't just a smart move, it's crucial for your financial well-being and your family's future. Here are 8 compelling reasons to get life insurance before December 31st instead of waiting for the new year. Life insurance premiums typically increase with age. By securing a policy before December 31st, you lock in the premium rate for your current age, potentially saving you money. For example, if Sarah, a 30-year-old non-smoker, buys a policy on December 31st, she might pay $30 per month. If she waits until after her 31st birthday in January, her premium could increase to $33 per month, costing her an extra $36 annually. Over the life of a 30-year policy, this adds up to more than $1,000 in additional premiums. According to industry data, a healthy 35-year-old male might pay around $500 per year for a 20-year term life insurance policy. If he waits until he's 36, that same policy could cost approximately $540 per year, reflecting the typical 8% annual premium increase due to age. Second, life insurance policies can offer various tax benefits. For instance, the premiums paid on a whole life policy might be tax-deductible if the policyholder itemizes deductions. Additionally, the death benefit paid to beneficiaries is generally income tax-free. If you purchase before December 31st, these deductions could be applicable for the current tax year. For example, a policyholder named Alex could potentially deduct $1,500 in premiums on their tax return, reducing their taxable income for the year. Third, getting life insurance provides benefit from current health status. If your health changes in the new year, you could be subject to higher rates or even denial of coverage. By applying before December 31st, you ensure coverage based on your current health. For instance, Mark, who was diagnosed with high blood pressure in January, would have saved on his premiums had he applied earlier. Fourth, as the calendar year winds down, many of us begin to reflect on our lives and make resolutions for improvements in the year ahead. One common resolution is to get financial affairs in order, which often includes purchasing life insurance. This surge of new applications in January can overwhelm insurance providers, leading to delays and extended processing times. By choosing to apply for life insurance before December 31st, you not only preempt your own New Year's resolution, but you also sidestep the inevitable influx of applicants. This strategic timing means your application is more likely to be processed swiftly, allowing you to secure coverage without the added stress of a protracted wait. Additionally, by acting promptly, you ensure that your coverage is in place from the outset of the new year, so while others are still navigating application forms and medical exams, you're already enjoying the peace of mind that comes with knowing your loved ones are protected. This proactive approach demonstrates a commitment to your resolutions that sets a positive tone for the year ahead. Fifth, some insurers adjust the benefits of their policies at the start of the year. By getting your policy in place before December 31st, you may be able to secure more favorable terms and benefits that might not be available later. For those who secure their life insurance policy before December 31st, there is an opportunity to grandfather the existing terms, thereby locking in certain benefits and riders that could be more generous than what will be offered after the transition into the new year. Think of it like getting the best version of an app before it updates and takes away some of the cool features you love. Insurance companies sometimes change the perks of their policies in the new year, kind of like when your favorite social media platform drops an update that changes the game. If you get life insurance before the New Year's Eve ball drops, you can keep those awesome perks that might not be there later, like better coverage if you get seriously sick. It's like snagging the best deal before it's gone. You start the new year knowing you scored big and won't have to deal with the what-ifs of the new, less cool changes. Sixth, by securing life insurance beforehand, you're protected during this high-risk period. Think about it like this. The holiday season is like that big final boss in a game, more stuff is going on, you're traveling to visit family or hitting the road for a holiday adventure, and that means the chances of an oops a moment go up. Getting life insurance locked down before you get into holiday mode is like equipping the best armor before that boss fight. It's got your back in case things get wild and something goes wrong, like a car mishap on an icy road or a slip while you're rocking around the Christmas tree. For real, there was this one family who got their insurance sorted out just in time, and right after, they had a car scare. Because they were covered, they had the cash support they needed to deal with the damage and not let it ruin their holiday vibe. So, it's like making sure your phone's got a solid case before you go out. You're just protecting what matters to you before the party gets started. 7th, knowing you've secured the financial future of your loved ones allows you to start the new year with one less worry. It's a proactive step that underscores responsible planning. Think of life insurance as your New Year's resolution glow-up. It's like clearing your phone of all those old pics and apps you don't need anymore. By getting life insurance before the new year hits, you're basically cleaning up your future worries list. It's a boss move that shows you're thinking ahead. You're making sure that if life throws a curveball, your family won't have to stress about money on top of everything else. It's like heading into the new year with your homework done, your playlist updated, and no unread texts. You can just chill and know you've got things sorted, like a true planner who's got their act together. Finally, you know how when you start a new subscription or service, there's usually that trial period where you can cancel and they can drop you without a hassle? Life insurance has a similar thing called a contestability period. It's like a probation time when the insurance company can double-check and call you out on any oopsies in your application. It usually lasts for about 2 years. Now, here's the hack. If you get your policy before the ball drops on New Year's Eve, you start that countdown early. That means you get through that iffy period quicker and get to the chill zone where your policy is solid and less up for debate. Like, if Lisa gets her policy on December 31, 2023, she's all clear when 2026 rolls in, but if she waits until the first day of 2024, she's gotta wait out the whole 2 years and doesn't get that sweet certainty until 2026. So it's like beating the system by a whole year just by getting in before the confetti settles. We've looked at tax benefits, cost savings, and the essential nature of immediate protection, each a compelling reason to act before December 31st. As we approach our final thoughts, consider the action you can take today that your future self will thank you for. To conclude, securing life insurance before the year's end is not just a financial strategy, it's a commitment to life itself. My name is John, and as you celebrate the holidays, give yourself and your loved ones the gift of certainty in an uncertain world. Don't wait until the new year, the right time for life insurance is now. Merry Christmas, everyone.